asuntoskeittiö Lahden Massin puisto.
Yes, nobody's coming.
Yeah.
It's also very nice today, aren't they? 12th of July 2020. Here's Vesijärvenkatu 57 Stekisbiivi, Otis Stekisation also, classics was here. Built in 1999. Otis sitä.
Sinne.
Just needless, the indicators needless to updated.
Yeah.
But maybe at first they had to become bad.
Yeah.
Doesn't say it here, oh, here. This is 99 for the last also.
Yeah.
This might be from the beginning of 1999.
No, mid 1999, I think.
Yeah. May or summer 1999.
Yeah.
There's the Otis logo by the door. Give us the exact versions, horses and diagrams. I like the vibrations.
Same. These device that's maintained by Coney.
For one is green, this should be.
Yeah.
I like that fan sounds also.
Same.
Oh, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's